Hare Krishna. So today we'll be seeing the next 3 verses wherein Duryodhana makes a qualitative comparison between his own army and the army of the Pandavas. So we'll be seeing the 7th, 8th and the 9th verse. They go, अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तान् निबोध्य द्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः. Duryodhan is very intelligent and his cunningness and diplomacy is very evidently seen in these verses. He says, Asmakam tu vishishtaye tan nibodha dvijottamam. In the previous 3 verses, he has enlisted around 19 various warriors who are most prominent in the Pandava army. So seeing that Dronacharya should not be disheartened, he says, oh no, we have many in our side also. Asmakam tu vishishtaye. And he names them. How does he name them? He starts naming them by saying Bhavan, or your good self. Actually, from prowess point of view, from age point of view, and even from the position point of view, Bhishma is far greater than Dronacharya. But he wants to make a point on Drona that you are also not less important, you are more important. So he gives out the point of, he first mentions Drona there. So Bhavan refers to your good self. And then he says Bhishma. The other reason also was, Duryodhana was counting on 3 main people from his side, Drona, Bhishma and Karna. And he knew very well that Karna did not go along well with either Bhishma or Drona. And amongst Drona and Bhishma, Dronacharya is a Brahmana. So although Bhishma is senior to age and to experience and to his sheer military prowess, he would not mind if a Brahmana's name is taken previous to him. So that's how we have Bhavan, which refers to Drona, Bhishmascha, and then he says Karnascha. We also see that he says Anye cha bahavaha shuraha madarthe tyakta jivitaha. There are so many others who are ready to lay down their lives for me. So here Acharya has also given explanation that even from Duryodhana's own mouth, it is very evident that they are all going to die. If we would have paid attention, when he was speaking about the major people on Pandava's side, he never uses the word that they are ready to lay down their lives. Whereas here, Duryodhan by default says, all these people are ready to lay down their lives. Acharyas say that already they have lost their lives. It is only time that separates. Also, we have Duryodhana who is taking or naming 19 important warriors in the previous 3 shlokas. Whereas if we see here, in these 3 verses, he only names 7 explicitly. And he says, Anyecha Bahava Shura. So from all these points, it is very evident that Duryodhan is about to lose his battle. Hare Krishna.